The Southern Engineering Company is the flagship company of the Alpha Group, and its headquarters is located in the center of the Kenyan coast, Mombasa, with offices in Nairobi. The yard is fully equipped with the most advanced tools and equipment for projects, repairs, and any new built assignments.
We are very young in our approach and in the energy we are putting in new areas, new jobs, and new projects.
SECO was established in the 1950s, realizing and understanding that meeting the industry's needs with an affordable product was crucial, and catering for the clients within the marine industry. Since then, the company has continually grown, satisfying the increasing demand with quality service of global standards. Southern Engineering have 4 divisions: Marine Division, Civil and Mechanical Division, Inspection and Certification Division, and Heavy Lifts Division. The shipyard is considered the busiest on the East African coast, with a capacity of servicing any client within the region. It is the only company in Kenya with shipbuilding experience. SECO is ISO quality certified in leading infrastructure and engineering. With 60 years of operational experience, our vessels cover the entire range for the East African waters. With our fully equipped shipyard, we are able to build ocean-going vessels for all purposes, ranging from passenger ships, roll-on roll-off, barges, modular ferries, bunkering ships, to pontoons and tugs.
This is actually a shipbuilding project. We name it Titli, and it's a multi-purpose vessel. Now planning in the sense like from the design, procurement, fabrication, installation, commissioning, testing, delivery. It's a whole process, and it takes 7 to 8 months for completion.
Actually, people don't really know that everything can be achieved here in Kenya. We just built a ferry for Uganda, and it's just made here 100% by Kenyans.
Today we are celebrating the delivery of this modular ferry, and it has been constructed here at SECO very successfully. If you look to the vessels which sail now in the region, well, there is a lot to improve to make them more safe and more reliable, and also more cost-friendly, especially when you're talking about maintenance. So cooperation with SECO in this region improves also business.
SECO have done us proud. I'm happy that they have done what they have done, and I think we will do whatever we can on our side to get them going so that they can expand their scope, their business, their capacity.
When I was ushered in to see Albert 1 completed with all the facilities that are there, I now know that on Lake Albert we are getting a ferry which is worthy, which is very modern, which is also very exciting because it's being done in East Africa. It's being done within the region.
Looking at that ferry, it gives me a lot of pride to see that every single material that has gone into that ferry actually has passed through my hands.
Our accomplished team of skilled craftsmen have years of experience working together on vessels, barge conversions, and modifications. We pride ourselves on handling the most complicated and complex onboard installations with creativity and know-how. The SECO dock has recently expanded to handle 1,200 metric tons due to the demand within this coastal region, suitable to undertake complete refurbishment, repairs, or services.
This is my Ndeleo, which has just docked. It's a massive vessel, and one of the biggest vessels we have handled in this place.
Our range of shipyard services offer engine overhauling, structural steelworks, sandblasting, underwater welding and hull cleaning, tank cleaning, electrical works, fitting and plumbing works, and much more. The Marine Offshore Engineering Division has expertise in construction of marine facilities, including structural works, land reclamation, piling, jetty rehabilitation, trenching and dredging works, overall marine engineering support, maintenance and technical support, and supply of certified tools and equipment. Our skills and experience have led us to become one of East Africa's leading companies in the construction and refurbishment of maritime structures. Our yard has put excellent maritime infrastructure suitably equipped with purpose-built workshops, fabrication shop, precise engineering works, and machine shop services.
We are specialized in the repair of marine spares and production of new spares for the ships. The advantage of this place is that we have the capacity to handle larger ships. Anything that can be done out there can also be done here in SECO.
SECO is experienced in the provision of civil and mechanical activities, including engineering, procurement and construction projects, civil and mechanical engineering, precision engineering, welding and inspection services, and hydraulic solutions.
Actually, we are working like a family here because in the end of the day, the most important is the clients. And we are serving our clients to the best that we can do.
Once we send in their requirements to work out the design, the most exciting thing is pleasing our client. The clients are happy with the job. So we are happy that we have done a perfect job as engineers.
Our design office is capable of responding to any requirements from clients to providing full mechanical and structural solutions. The ongoing provisions of high-quality engineering design and project management is the essence of what we do at SECO: engineering, procurement, and construction. SECO is a Class A construction company, and we range from construction engineering development, foundation works, accommodation, and office facilities to oil and gas site development, including energy projects like the Lake Turkana Wind Power Project, which we have been involved in. We specialize in tank construction and repairs and have remained among the best in the field to this day. We erect new tanks and storage tanks. SECO provides customized designs for each and every requirement, maintaining all standards required in the energy fields. With our dedicated team of welders, technicians, skilled labor force, as well as team leaders, we provide a total client service. SECO has a well-equipped laboratory with the latest equipment for all kinds of non-destructive testing, which includes conventional NDT such as drill pipe, OCTG inspections, ultrasonic, magnetic particles and dye pen testing, material positive identification, hardness, load, hydrostatic and pressure witness tests for offshore and onshore inspections.
First service comes something called as ultrasound test, which is same as sonography. We have the gadget which has ultrasound frequency measuring machine. We have the transducer. We just keep on each spot and then machine tell us the readings of that material. Sometimes material is corroded from inside, so we know the original thicknesses from the drawing, and then when we measure when the parts are in service due to corrosion or any dent, we come to know the thicknesses which are reduced. SECO is also providing another very valuable services for all the oil field clients. This is called as OCTG services. SECO is the first Kenyan company who is providing these valuable services to all the drilling companies, and all the tools and the pipes which they use for the drilling and the exploration purpose, they have to do the inspection service. And we have all the qualified operators for the same, and we have all the tools which are required for this inspection service.
We work with companies like SMP, Marriott Drilling Group, Tallow Oil, Halliburton, Baker Hughes, Schlumberger, Green Arava, amongst others. SECO is soon introducing the next level of inspection, which is above ground storage tank inspection. Within the heavy lift department, all cranes are maintained and certified to international standards such as Lloyd's British. SECO has been carrying out lifting operations with leading energy companies such as Tallow Oil for the past 5 years. And we have also been contracted to do the hoisting of the first wind farm in Turkana. We hire out specialized land-based equipment for all required construction needs across East Africa.
We are using all the certified lifting gears for the operations.
Actually, in the last 2 years, we have invested heavily in equipment. We have purchased a new Kobelco 250-ton crane and a lot of other tools to make our engineering works more efficient.
Summit is a new subsidiary of the Southern Engineering Company, providing services in camps, camps management, and catering. SECO has a camp management division which is specialized in fully mobile containerized units. Built in their own factories, these units service the needs of the energy, mining, oil and gas industries.
We provide our services for companies such as National Oil and Gas, Tullow, Halliburton, Wind and Power, Lake Turkana.
I'm in charge of the container design operations from commercial to production for our clients. They work their operations in a remote area and they need a place to accommodate their engineers and staff. Once we produce and we see the thing has worked out very well, and then we send it to our client and we see that they are satisfied with whatever we've produced. It's really exciting.
We specialize in accommodation, workshops, recreation, offices, and kitchen units. Alpha Group has been a market leader for many years in the food industry. Therefore, it positions us in the best place to provide catering services with top-level hospitality management in our camps. We manage the camps on location. This includes catering for all employees, cleaning of the camps, providing extra services such as DSTV and internet facilities, as well as housekeeping.
Some projects, when I see them from the beginning and when we manage to accomplish the result, just being a part of that process, it's really amazing.
Our health and safety department is effective across all divisions. We have the safety of the employees as paramount importance.
Without health and safety, we will not be able to achieve project because health and safety concentrate on taking care of our staffs to make sure that there will be no accident, there will be no health implication caused by their work.
We have so many works that we consider to be of high risk. Every individual that is working here with us is given the right PPE, protective equipment for the right job.
We recently received awards from our Lake Turkana wind power project, having recorded 0 incidents.
We have a target for the next 5 years to become a leading engineering company in East Africa in the marine industry, camps and management of camps, and civil and mechanical engineering. We can do it all.